Hi, my name is Sindram. I'm from Philips Lighting here. So today we have put a stall here in the CAI exhibition. So what I'm trying to do, today we are representing the home lighting solutions. This exhibition basically is a construction, architecture and interiors. So all the, you can say while building a house, office in a building, you need a lot of basic construction, then interior, architecture. In architecture, different segments are there. You from your brick walls to light, home designing, to lights also. So today we are representing lights. So there are the commercial sections and also residential section. In residential sections, what you do, we have different kind of lights. Traditionally, we have been using the lights which are the same color, LED bulb with a white or yellow output. That's it. Today, what we have got a new product. It's called Philips Hue. So with this launching is happening in Hyderabad today. So where in a Hue, it's not a single color. It's basically a Wi-Fi based lighting, personal wireless light. You can control by an app, and the color limitation is up to 16 billions, not 1 and 2, 16 billions. On all the colors, you can choose by your app. So basically, going to the products, right now what I can show you, you can see the fixtures here everywhere. There's LED bulbs are there. So basically, it's the same LED bulb outside, the same LED bulb. We have put it in the lab. Apart from that, we have a table lamp here, which exactly is a complete LED. It's called a Philips Hue Beyond table lamp, and a light. It's called as Go. It's a chargeable light. You can charge it and you can change the colors. So when I go to the app, I can change the colors through all the light fixture through the colors. You see, I have some predefined app. So what I can do, right now I can go to a picture. I can edit the lights. If I see, when I click on these things, the light color changes. Whichever light is selected, I have not selected all the lights. But if I want to select all the lights, yes. Now I've selected all the lights, but I can go here. Now I will go back there and I will select whatever light I want to do. So you can see number of the lights. So each light has been numbered. Here you can see each of light, wooden light, glass table. After that, once this is done, I will go number 5 light. If you see number 5 changes. Now I can group the lights also. What I can do, I can group number 5, number 6, number 7, number 4 at a time, and at a time I can change all 4 lights to different shades. And apart from that, this is basically app called Philips Hue. Apart from that, there are so many third-party apps, but I can show you. There is another app, very interesting one. It's called Hue Disco. Okay, so when in the Hue Disco, first of all, you need to play a music. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play a music. So after that, I'm going to app. Now you see the effect. Now you can see the effect. It's called Hue Disco. Basically, you can make your home as a disco. And also, not only that, suppose you want something mood kind of thing. You don't want music. So what I can do, you can stop the music and I can go back. There's an option called Start Mood. When I click on that, all the lights changes colors, but slowly, every 5 seconds, if you see this light, every 5 seconds it will have a different color. So I can stop the mood, I can start the mood again. Each of the light, it goes back to the mood and it changes colors. Slowly, this is a mood lighting. If you want a fast Hue Disco, yes, it changes very fast. And apart from that, so many, not only that playing disco, it can give you notifications also. It has an option for geolocation. When your mobile is going out of the Wi-Fi range, all the light will be switched off. But when you enter to the house, the Wi-Fi range, it will automatically turn on. It gives notifications. So when it's raining or you want to wake up, you can use that alarm itself. You can put a range of 7 to 7:30. The light will glow slowly from 0 to 100% for 30 minutes. So that way you can operate. So basically, it doesn't need any specific wiring kind of thing. It basically has a bridge. That's called a device. It's called as a bridge. It's basically, it is connected to a Wi-Fi router, which emits a complete Wi-Fi signals to the bulbs and other fixtures. Now, when that is connected, now it gives Wi-Fi access to all the light fixtures, and then it comes to your app. Your app is connected to the bridge. So basically, you're connecting all the lights through the bridge only. A single bridge can connect up to 50 lights at a single time. At a resident, you can make 10 to 20 bulbs. You can control up to 50 lights. And for the more 50, you can go for a second bridge. And it not only one, It has got different fixture. We have got bulbs, we have got table lamps, we have got a floor lamp, we got a strip here also. Apart from that, we have also ceiling and other kind of lamps. So right now, as Indian market, starting we are launching 3 to 4 kind of devices. So each of bulb is normally 9 watt. So basically, if you are not connected to Wi-Fi, it will work as a normal bulb, LED bulb with a normal warm white color. But if you connect to Wi-Fi, then you start changing the color. You can have a predefined apps, or you can select the predefined color in the app. Have a predefined green and blue and a purple color. But if I have to do it manually, yes, I can go and do it manually. Thank you.